Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make giant croissants. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, focusing on quality for that authentic taste. Next, we'll dive into preparing the foundational dough and the crucial butter block. Then, I'll guide you through the lamination process, which is key to achieving those beautiful, flaky layers. Finally, we'll shape and bake your magnificent, oversized pastries to golden perfection. Let's get started on this delicious baking adventure. For the dough, select a strong bread flour to give your giant croissants the necessary structure. The butter block is equally vital. Aim for a high-fat European butter, around 82% fat, as this creates superior layers. Both your dough and butter block need to be thoroughly chilled before lamination to prevent the butter from melting into the dough. Consistency in the butter block's thickness is also crucial for even layering. These steps lay the groundwork for a truly exceptional pastry. Lamination is where the magic happens. You'll perform a series of folds, typically 3 single folds, to create hundreds of delicate layers. Remember to chill your dough in the refrigerator between each fold. This allows the gluten to relax and keeps the butter firm, preventing it from tearing through the dough. When rolling, aim for a consistent thickness of about 1/4 inch. Finally, cut generous triangles, around 3 to 5 inches wide and 10 inches long, to form your impressive giant croissants. Proofing is the final rise, where your shaped croissants will become visibly puffy and jiggly, indicating the yeast is active. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. While your croissants are baking, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Once baked, transfer your giant croissants to a wire rack to cool slightly before enjoying their flaky, buttery goodness. They are best enjoyed fresh, so savor every bite.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.